Hey everyone, welcome back to Lux Life. Today we're stepping into something straight out of the future. The 2026 Kenworth Vortex Hauler. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a moving luxury mansion. The Vortex Hauler combines raw power, futuristic tech, and five-star comfort into one incredible machine. At first glance, it looks like it came right out of a sci-fi movie. Sleek, aerodynamic, and bold. Its glowing red LED vanes give it a heartbeat of its own, and the chrome meets matte black body reflects both power and class. This beast rides on 12 heavy-duty tires, built for perfect balance and grip. The front grille carries Kenworth's signature strength, while the adaptive LED headlights adjust automatically to your surroundings. On top, solar glass panels charge the onboard battery as you drive, blending beauty, brains, and sustainability. Step inside, and it's pure luxury. The automatic sliding doors welcome you into a world that feels more like a smart penthouse than a vehicle. The main lounge has a leather sofa, a retractable dining table, and panoramic smart glass windows that tint for privacy. The driver's cockpit feels like a spaceship, with a 270-degree digital display showing navigation, performance, and smart home controls. Just say the word, and the Vortex Hauler obeys. Adjusting lights, blinds, or even playing your favorite movie, the living area transforms in seconds. The sofa becomes a queen bed, and walls expand slightly when parked to give you more space. Overhead, a digital ceiling can project stars, sunlight, or your favorite visuals. The kitchen comes with an induction stove, smart oven, touchscreen fridge, and even a built-in espresso machine. The bathroom keeps things modern with a rainfall shower, automatic cleaning, and voice-controlled water temperature. The master bedroom is like a luxury suite, a king-size memory foam bed, a smart glass ceiling that turns clear to reveal the stars, and a foldable vanity desk with wireless charging under the hood. The Vortex Hauler runs on a hybrid turbine drivetrain, combining electric torque with a V12 diesel generator that produces over 1,200 horsepower. It's powerful, smooth, and surprisingly efficient. With AI-assisted driving, lane keeping, and auto braking, this motorhome practically drives itself, even parking autonomously using 360-degree radar. It also features 5G and satellite connectivity, so you can stream, work, or game anywhere in the world. You can even control lighting, temperature, and music through your phone. At $3.8 million, the Kenworth Vortex Hauler isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle statement. It's built for those who want freedom, innovation, and unmatched comfort wherever the road takes them. This isn't just travel, it's transformation. This is the future of luxury living on wheels.